best as you drive to your next journey. Congratulations! This is our be the glory and honor.
May we request first that the others settle down. We will begin with the faculty and staff of Palo National High School, together with our
How is it?
tutors
How is it?
and administrators.
How is
Once
it?
again, completers, welcome po lang tayo. Meron pa tayong tutorial. Together with your advisor later. Stay put lang muna. Stay put.
Again, Palo National High School
Ano
teaching
ka
and
nagtutok?
non-teaching staff.
Nagtutok na yun. Ha? Nagtutok yun. She's crying. Oh my gosh. The loudest music.
Mga sir, dito po tayo haharap sa stage para kasama yung mga students sa likod.
Aray, kaya tulikod.
Sige po. Students, paupo lang muna. Stop. Matulog po tayo na